Today I'm going to show you how to make a long video for your Messenger story. First, I have my Messenger open right now. Go over to People at the bottom right. Click on Stories right next to it. This is where Messenger puts all of your stories. To add to your story, you're going to click on the Add Story Plus. Now here I will choose the video. Here, as you can see, it says maximum 20 seconds. But there's a way around it. Go back to your chats. Search your profile name. Click on it. Now click at the bottom to upload video. Select the video. Next, click Edit. Now it allows you to add longer than 20 seconds. So add to story. This is how you can actually upload the full-length video to your Messenger story.